What's up, everybody, and welcome back to Rudy Having Fun. Today's adventure brings me back to Universal Studios, where I'm about to walk down the red carpet and ride my first ride at a theme park in over a year. This is a glorious day. You guys ready? Let's have some fun. Alright, first stop, getting right into it. We're on the corner of Minion Way and Pets Place. And as you can see, I'm wearing the appropriate attire because I'm stoked for my first ride to be, that's right, The Secret Life of Pets Off the Leash. Brand new ride. First time on this ride. First ride in 1 year. Let's do this. I'm going to tell you right now, I just got off that first ride in over a year. Like I said, first ride on Secret Life of Pets, and boy was it a good one. Man, I'll tell you what, you guys, I highly recommend it. And I think what I'm going to do is, for anyone who's interested, I don't want to spoil anything in this video, but I'm going to do a full walkthrough of the queue and the whole ride for anyone who wants to watch a separate video. So stay tuned for that. This is amazing. All right, second stop, the world famous Universal Studios Backlot Studio Tour. There she is.
Welcome to Universal Studios Hollywood. Here's some important...
Oh my God! No!
Now, I know some of you were paying attention to the clip, and others were paying attention to the dinosaurs that was spitting things at you.
It's not right.
My apologies. The reason for that is it's much lightweight, but more lightweight than a traditional metal vehicle, and also much larger on set. So the camera can film them easier. The flash flood, however, we cannot control that.
Flash flood.
Mother Nature.
That was a close one.
The set is currently dressed to look like the San Francisco Bay Area BART station. I'm from the Bay Area, so I'll tell you right now, it looks almost 100% authentic. There's only one thing missing. Golden State Warriors posters. They are everywhere. They're everywhere. You can't go everywhere. Oh no. Hold on, hold tight.
Oh no.
The big one. This is the big one.
Oh my God. Look out.
And it's now on fire. The roof.
Oh no.
The roof is on fire. There's more to that sentence that I forgot. It's been too long since I forgot. Hold on, we got flames coming from underneath the ground, Mario. What is this?
Oh no, there's a train.
Hold on, the train. Look out! Okay, I think we're good. For their tremendous seafood and 4th of July celebrations, as well as their crisp, clear blue water. Maybe we should amend that third statement, but anyway. Oh my gosh. That's the biggest dolphin I've ever seen. Oh no, the diver's like right there. He's in his line of sight. Diver! Social distance, get away from the fin. 6 feet at least. Oh my gosh. Well, that's horrible. Alright, let's get out of here. I heard somebody yelling at us to clear the area.
Hate it when that
I don't know where to go. Tell you what, let's hide behind the flammable gasoline canisters and the high voltage. That's a really safe place to hide when things go wrong. it. Just wasting all that gasoline. It's like $4.69 a gallon. This is insane. Not gonna lie. That feels fantastic. I can feel my fingers again, seriously.
Oh my god. Look at the size of that thing.
It says EL3535 on the license plate.
Former
that was used in the
location
Mummy.
of the
Remember in the
Grinch Stole
film,
Christmas backlot area is now a picture car
museum, and they're like throwing people off left and right as they're
lot.
speeding. That's the name of the video.
Bumblebee over there. Stopped off for a bite to eat before I head down to the lower lot. Wasn't a lot of places open at this point, so I stopped off at Krusty Burger. Got myself a boneless rib burger, French fries, and I got water in my bag. So, let's see how it is. The guy behind the counter said it was good, so I'll be the judge. Can't say I've ever had a Krusty Burger before. That's what the rib looks like there. I like it. For the record, everything else is on it. They got coleslaw with a K, tomato, onion, and then obviously the rib. Alright, making my way down to the lower lot so I can knock out those rides, especially Jurassic World and the new and improved Indominus Rex finale. But before I do, I just wanted to get a quick view of the progress of Super Nintendo World, which from the naked eye, as far as I could tell, last time I was here, it looks basically the same. There might be a few more of the little hills there. You can kind of make out some of the structures. I'm guessing that there on the left is probably the castle. I don't know enough about Super Nintendo, Mario. It's been so long since I played it. I can't make out any specific structure, but there's for sure, you know, I believe that's the castle on the left there. Anyways, I'm really excited about this land. That's going to be a great addition. The future is bright, ladies and gentlemen. Feels like I'm dreaming. I pinch myself, but I hate it when people pinch me. Here we go, baby.
You are clear for entry.
Oh my God! Don't squirt me! Oh God! Oh my God! That was awesome. Oh my God. Wow. Man, that Jurassic World, that ending. Wow. Alright, so next up, one of my favorite rides in any theme park, the Transformers ride. 90-minute wait, so buckle up. Wow, this is pretty cool. To the future entrance to Super Nintendo World, we got a little preview of what's to come. Something worth documenting as I walk through the queue here. There's nobody in line. Something I don't think you'll ever see. Well, you might see it again, but it's still unusual.
It's me, really.
So I figured
Commodore General Admiral Commander.
I would record it.
Fences, but you're not holding so well. Here's what I got. I'm picking up Decepticon Rabbit.
Just for future reference, I guess.
Sector 1030, sub-level 9, and all the extraction room. Decepticon forces are breaking through. Decepticon Starscream identified.
What's up, buddy?
Decepticon Sideways identified. How's idea, Decepticon?
I am Optimus Prime. What is this creature you're traveling with? A knuckle bunny. Well, what is the purpose of this bunny do? Does it keep you company? Is it your friend? Well, I'd say it's a great bunny, then. The only bunny I knew was one by the name of Roger Rabbit. He lived in a distant land known as Toontown until an evil judge tried to turn it into a giant freeway. Then we never saw him again because trademark infringement and licensing properties.
So I made way back up to the upper lot. I had a virtual return time for Pets Off the Leash. Wanted to get this in one last time. I really enjoyed the first one. Just for the record, the virtual return starts way over there, wraps around here, goes way the heck down there, down this way, and then through the little wrap around there before you go inside and do the walkthrough through there. The lady over here just told me it's going to take an hour, so I'm going to knock this out, grab a bite of pizza, and hit the road. It's been a great day so far. So I grabbed a little personal pizza as I was heading out of the park today, and I know it's hard to believe, but I've spent 8 hours in the park, actually a little more than 8 hours in the park today. And you know what they say, time flies when you're having fun. But man, was it a great day. Riding rides, just having a good time. I didn't even know how bad I needed that. So if you're still with me, thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video.